Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we have a Honda Pilot that is approaching the 100,000 mile mark. It's the magic number where everything is going to start needing to be replaced or maintenance. Today we're going to be replacing the transmission fluid, and we're going to be replacing the inline filter for the transmission fluid as well. Let's get started. All right, underneath the vehicle, the first thing we're going to be doing is taking out these 10mm bolts you see here. Once those are out of the way, you're going to go ahead and start using a trim tool or your favorite flathead to pop loose the rest of this undercar cover. So looking at it from underneath, we have our 3/8 bolt here with this crush washer. We're going to remove that and drain the majority of the fluid. And then the reason that we took the trim piece out is because of the inline filter, which you can see here. So let's get a closer look. The inline filter has two clips that hold it into place. You can see one just below right here, and then one just above it right here. We'll squeeze those down and remove those. Then what we'll do is we'll take the part and pull it forward. This is just the reason, again, I'm just explaining why we took the trim piece off. You might, in theory, be able to get it through here, but it's just going to be such a hassle to do so. So let's go ahead and take this off first. There we go. Ooh. Alright, taking a look at the plug, it's not too bad. There's a little bit of collection on it, but pretty normal for where this vehicle is at. So we're going to replace that crush washer. We'll put it back in the engine. Alright, so we got the top one loosened up there. Let's do the same for the bottom one, which is right here. Alright, for this bracket, there is a 10mm. Let's see if we can sneak the camera in here. See this 10mm hiding back here? You've got to remove that. What I'm going to use to get it, I ended up using a 1/4 inch ratchet. It was the only thing small enough to fit in there. 1/4 inch ratchet with a 10mm head. Now that the bolt is out, it's just a matter of removing this off of the clip that it's in. Pulling away like that. Then we'll bring it down off of this hose and the one underneath. All right, so take this opportunity to kind of note the orientation where this kind of lip is when we install the new one. We're going to make sure that we do it in the same orientation. So the way that that's going to look when it goes back in the engine is this and up. So this lip here, this ring, if you will, this is going to be facing down. So we're going to take our new one, facing down. We will reattach the hose. While we have it here, we're going to slide the clip up. Now, because the highest one was the most tedious to uninstall, we're going to reinstall that one first. The old one, feed in the new, like that. Put this bracket back on. Looks like this. That bottom ring. And we will put the 10 millimeter back in. Okay, again for this bolt, hard to see, I'll circle it on the screen, right tucked back in there. I used a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 10 millimeter socket. It looked something like, looks like this. I did have to use an extension from time to time, but mainly what ended up working was just having that stub on there and taking my time with it. Now that we have the clamps in and everything is tightened down, we're going to snug the rest of this 3/8 off of the main drain plug for the transmission, and then we're going to put all of the covers back on and then fill it up with fluid.